How far can your home buying dollar go in different cities? Could you buy a huge main bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet? A spacious home office? Or a backyard with a patio? The options are endless. We're going to find out just how much house you can get for $440,000 across America. This is Listing Price. The first house is in Ankeny, Iowa, a suburb of Des Moines, which was named the 13th best place to live by U.S. News & World Report in 2021. This new ranch home is listed at $442,000 and boasts 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 3 oversized car garages. Let's take a look inside. Upon walking in, the first thing you'll notice is a bright open floor plan with a great room equipped with lots of natural light and a fireplace for those cold Midwestern winter nights. If you move to the right, you have the kitchen, where you'll find quartz countertops and a huge walk-in pantry. No trouble with pantry storage here. Let's go see the dining area next. Here, there's plenty of room for the whole family or a large group of friends. It's connected to a covered patio area where you can put a lounge chair and enjoy some fresh air. Back inside, there are 3 bedrooms on this floor. First, the main room. It comes equipped with dual sinks and a walk-in closet, as well as its own tile shower. Across the hallway from the main bedroom are 2 bedrooms with large windows facing out toward the front of the house, and each has its own built-in closet. Next, let's head to the basement level, where there are 2 bedrooms and another bathroom. This large space can act as a family room or an entertainment center. It has the special feature of a wet bar and tons of counter space. There are 2 bedrooms with a window each and the bathroom. This 1,589 square foot home has an oversized 3-car garage that leads into a drop zone with laundry space. For our second house, we head 1,000 miles southeast toward China Grove, North Carolina. The house is located just 4 miles off the I-85 highway for an easy commute into Charlotte. The lovely custom brick 2-story single-family home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. This is about 5% more than the house in Ankeny, but offers 2,900 square feet of livable space on a 0.57-acre lot. Let's take a look inside. This home features an open floor plan with a soaring foyer and a living room with a nice flow for everyday living. Let's explore the rest of the first floor. At the front of the house, to the left of the entrance, is the main bedroom. It has an ensuite bathroom with a luxurious sun-kissed bathtub, as well as 2 vanities. And more importantly, it has a connected walk-in closet for easy wardrobe changes. As we head toward the heart of the house, we pass a beautiful transition room, currently acting as an office, but can also be used as a dining room. Now the heart of the house, the kitchen. Equipped with a granite island with double sinks, as well as a breakfast nook large enough for a dining table, this room is perfect for gatherings and get-togethers. But if one opts for fresh air, you can head out to the private wooden deck, where you can enjoy the surrounding trees and flat yard area while admiring the newly installed roof. Also on the first floor is the laundry room and a half bathroom. Fun fact, half bathrooms aren't actually half of a bathroom, but rather a bathroom that has a toilet but no shower or bathtub. At the top of the stairs on the second floor, you have a generous loft, which can double as an office or reading nook. There is 1 bathroom and 3 bedrooms with wooden floors on this level. but this one above the garage is currently furnished as a den. One of the largest draws of this house is its location. As of 2021, there were nearly 4,500 people living in China Grove, and in 2016, it was named one of the 20 safest cities in North Carolina. For our third and last house, we head back west toward Minneapolis, Minnesota. Also known as the City of Lakes, Minneapolis has no shortage of outdoor recreational activities like boating and biking, especially being surrounded by 22 natural lakes and 197 beautiful parks. Nestled in Powderhorn Park is this charming house, which has a listing price of $425,000. This two-story duplex has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in total and can be divided into 2 floors with separate entrances. Let's take a look inside. You enter a wood-paneled foyer with a crystal chandelier fixture and a built-in bench that can act as a waiting area or a display space. To the right are the rooms. We enter a large entry room with gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. It's connected to the main living room, which currently has the original brick fireplace mantle. To the right is the kitchen and bathroom, and to the left is the 1 bedroom. Next, we move upstairs to the 2nd floor. It has a similar layout as the 1st floor, with an entry room currently acting as a bedroom, the living room space, and then the eat-in kitchen, with a walk-in pantry. There's also the bathroom with new gray tiling. What's unique about this home is the 2nd stairway that leads out to a screened sleeping porch on the 2nd floor. But wait, there's an upstairs attic area that's currently retrofitted as a studio space. This large attic room with its sloping ceilings can be decorated to be a cozy and homely haven. The attic windows look out to the front of the house, right above the protected porch where you can relax and people watch. At the back of the house is a matching detached garage. This double garage is perfect for the 2-family home with its 2 separate entrances. We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices around $440,000. As we look back at all these homes, we've learned the most expensive home isn't necessarily the largest one, nor is it the one with the most bedrooms. Geographic location definitely factors into a house's listing price. We hope we gave you a better idea of what $440,000 can get you in different cities. Let us know where we should visit next.